The engineers are testing a new communication system. This IL-76 has been in service for 19 years. The old warplane was brought into the facility in parts from Melitopol. It is being completely rebuilt, and many of the old units are being replaced with more modern alternatives.
All the wiring has been replaced, all the ducting and the fuel lines. See, the blue one is an oxygen system, the red is the fuel supply. All the electrical systems, the switching. We're at the stage of setting up the comms system, AC and DC power.
For international flights, the aircraft will be equipped with up-to-date navigation equipment as well as a flight recorder, the so-called black box. After final assembly is complete and all systems are tested, the plane will perform test flights before making a flight back to its home airfield at Melitopol.
We've already begun assembly of this plane. Fully repaired equipment has been installed. All the rubber sealing on the plane was replaced. Work is now underway to set up the equipment.
The repair of this particular aircraft will cost the government-owned military industrial enterprise more than $1 million. It is one of 5 planes being repaired at the plant. This is Sukhoi Su-24M supersonic attack aircraft. It was built during the Soviet era and many of its parts are now difficult to source.
Everything that's inside this damper, inside the cylinders, the chassis control units, all of these elements we're having to produce ourselves because there aren't replacement parts. Also, the tires for its wheels used to be produced only in the Soviet Union. Now we buy them in China and India.
10 years ago, the plant was practically out of work. The stream of orders dried up and many workers had to be laid off. When Russia waged war on Ukraine in 2014, extra founding was allocated and 600 of the 3,000 original staff were retained. Future plans include expansion into repairs of not only military but also civilian aircraft brought in from Ukraine and from outside the country. Reported by Emma Nahorna for UATV.